So a few days ago, we put up a video on the Borla ATAK Active Exhaust Catback for your 2018 to 2019 Mustang GT. Now, as soon as we put that video up, we knew the comments are going to be, how does it compare to the Corsa? Which one's better? People ask me all the time, which one do I like better? Well, exhaust is very subjective. It's just like the color of your car. Do you like blue or red, white or black? Exhaust, what I like isn't necessarily going to be what you like. Now, the case of these systems are both high-end systems, both stainless steel, and definitely direct competitors. Now, I've had Borla and Corsa on my personal cars, and I like them both. The Borla to me has a little more growl, the Corsa has more of an exotic, higher-pitched sound. Since it's really tough to tell the difference and find out which one you like, we put this video together so you can see two of them head-to-head and pick out which one's right for your 2018 through 2019 Mustang.